I no longer carry my phone on me for obvious reasons, and if they're not obvious, maybe you should try it too. Here are my 5 everyday carries that replace or overcome my phone. Starting with the eldest carry, the wallet. This item explains itself, but I'll briefly go over its contents. License, insurance, library card, debit card, and a St. Michael card so I don't die. A gift from Nani. Keys. The more keys, the more powerful the man. Clearly, I am not that powerful of a man. This tool on the keychain is a game changer. Quarter 20 key and flathead for mounting plates. Scorpion represents resilience, strength, and it just looks cool. Swiss Army Champ. Van Neistat inspired, and I bought it with my first paycheck almost 2 years ago. I use the pliers, scissors, needle, and small knife the most. I used to have a ribbon on the knife like Van, but it actually made it harder to take out of my pocket, so I took it off. Finally, the newest and arguably the most important item is the shot list. I originally got it to aid the production of Dig and never really used it again until a month ago. I've always convinced myself that I can remember my thoughts and ideas when in reality I can't. I've probably forgotten 6, maybe 7 really good, great video ideas. And I couldn't tell you what they were because, well, I forgot them. So now I carry this and I write down everything I think is important, especially the shots I envision, which I know I'll forget. Then I'll tear off what I wrote for that video and archive it with the final shooting script. What I use to write with is a Bic round stick blue pen. Cheap, simple, and it just works. I used to use a pencil, but this fits better in my pocket and I like writing with it more. Also, I don't have to worry about losing it, which has happened and will happen. I wear jeans and only jeans. They have 4 main pockets, I used 3. The front right pocket holds the shot list and pen, formerly my phone. Front left holds keys and pocket knife, and back right holds the wallet. If you're wondering, I'll still have my phone around me, but it's never going to be directly on me again. Like today, before I go into work, I'm going to leave it in my car, and I'm just going to drop it in the center console, just like that. And it'll stay in there. And if it's a day where I'm expecting a call or somebody's going to need to get a hold of me, I'll bring it into work, but I'll leave it like on a desk or a counter or something. I'm never going to have it directly on me anymore. This week, members get to ask me questions that I'll be answering in a full-length video. 15 to 17, whenever he started the channel. I was an avid watcher of his brother, Casey, like crazy. So if you want to ask me questions or just want to support me and the channel, consider becoming a member. Thank you to those who have done so already.